Financial freedom is a dream for many, but for most, it seems elusive. Often, it feels like your money controls you instead of the other way around. But what if I told you there's a way to change that narrative? The answer lies in cracking the budget code, a practical and effective way to take full control of your finances, reduce stress, and pave the way to achieving your financial dreams. In this guide, we'll explore step-by-step strategies to build a budget that works, eliminates unnecessary spending, and helps you achieve true financial stability. Step 1. Understanding your financial reality. Before you can create a budget, you need a clear picture of your financial situation. Think of this as taking inventory of your financial health. Evaluate your income. Start by calculating your total monthly income from all sources, your job, side hustles, or passive income streams. This gives you a baseline for what you're working with. Track your expenses. Use tools like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or even a simple spreadsheet to track every penny you spend over a month. Separate expenses into categories such as housing, groceries, entertainment, and subscriptions. Identify financial leaks. Once you've tracked your expenses, analyze where your money is going. Are you spending excessively on dining out, subscription services, or impulse purchases? These are the areas ripe for change. Step 2. Building a budget that fits your lifestyle. Budgeting is not about deprivation, it's about making conscious choices that align with your goals. There are several popular budgeting methods, and finding the right one for you is crucial. 30% to wants, entertainment, travel, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Whether it's for bills, savings, or spending, this approach ensures no money is left unaccounted for. And place it in labeled envelopes. When the envelope is empty, stop spending in that category. Step 3. Prioritize saving and emergency funds. Building savings is the cornerstone of any strong financial plan. Without savings, even small emergencies can derail your progress. Start small. Begin by saving a portion of your income, even if it's just 5%. Gradually increase this amount as you become more disciplined. Create an emergency fund. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to cover unexpected events like job loss or medical emergencies. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account to ensure consistency. Treat this like a non-negotiable bill. Step 4. Tackle debt head-on. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to financial freedom. The good news? A well-executed budget can help you eliminate it faster. Snowball method. Focus on paying off the smallest debts first for quick wins. Use the momentum to tackle larger debts. Avalanche method. Pay off debts with the highest interest rates first to minimize the amount of interest you'll pay overall. Negotiate terms. Don't hesitate to contact creditors and request lower interest rates or revised payment terms. Many companies are willing to work with you. Step 5. Master smart spending habits. Smart spending is about maximizing the value of every dollar. It's not just about spending less, it's about spending better. Comparison shop. Before making significant purchases, research prices online and offline to ensure you're getting the best deal. Avoid impulse buys. Follow a 24-hour rule for non-essential purchases. If you still want the item after a day, go ahead, but you'll often find you don't need it. Leverage rewards. Use cashback credit cards or apps like Rakuten to earn rewards on purchases, but only if you can pay the balance in full each month. Step 6. Regularly monitor and adjust your budget. Your financial situation and goals will evolve, and so should your budget. Weekly check-ins. Dedicate 15 to 30 minutes each week to review your spending and ensure you're staying on track. Adjust for life changes. Major events like getting a new job, moving, or having a child will impact your budget. Be prepared to adjust accordingly. Celebrate milestones. When you reach a financial goal like paying off a debt or hitting a savings target, reward yourself with something meaningful and budget-friendly. Step 7. Set clear financial goals. A budget is a tool to achieve your financial goals, but you need to know what you're working toward. Short-term goals. These could include building an emergency fund, saving for a vacation, or paying off credit card debt. Long-term goals. Focus on things like buying a home, starting a business, or planning for retirement. Smart goals. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Actionable steps to start today. Track your spending. Start logging your expenses immediately. Awareness is the first step. Download a budgeting app. Try apps like YNAB or EveryDollar to streamline the process. Share the journey. Partner with a friend or family member to keep each other accountable and motivated. Cracking the budget code is your gateway to financial freedom. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. By taking the time to understand your finances, setting realistic goals, and committing to a plan, you can build a future free from financial stress. The journey starts today, so take the first step and watch how empowering it feels to finally control your money.